Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in time and distance. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, say the vertical speed of the man 100 kmph. Vertical speed of the man say 100 kmph. He increased his speed by 30%. So the increased speed is 130 kmph. Friends, now say he takes x minutes to cover the distance at his vertical speed. Say x minutes. So then he takes x minus 15 minutes. Then he takes x minus 15 minutes to cover the same distance at increased speed. So friends, now the distance covered in x minutes with 100 kmph, 100 into x, velocity into time, is equal to the distance covered in x minus 15 minutes with 130 kmph. 130 into x minus 15. Velocity into time, distance. So 0 gets cancelled. Friends, 10x is equal to 13x minus 195. It implies 3x is equal to 195. 3x is equal to 195. X is equal to 65 minutes, friends. 65 minutes or 1 hour 5 minutes, friends. 1 hour 5 minutes. Thank you.